Welcome to the Bountiful Homestead channel. Today we're peeling back the layers on one of nature's most fascinating superfoods, garlic. This humble herb, beloved by chefs and healers alike, has a storied past that stretches back to ancient civilizations. The Egyptians, Babylonians, Greeks, and Romans all recognized garlic not just for its robust flavor, but for its medicinal properties too. What makes garlic a superhero in the world of health, particularly for managing blood pressure? The secret lies within its cloves, packed with a compound called allicin. When garlic is crushed or chopped, allicin springs into action, relaxing and dilating blood vessels, which can significantly improve blood flow and lower blood pressure. The power of garlic isn't just folklore, it's backed by modern science. Studies have shown that garlic supplements can have a meaningful impact on reducing blood pressure, especially in those with hypertension. It's fascinating to see how this natural remedy holds up against conventional medicine, offering a complementary approach for those seeking alternative or adjunct treatments. This allium family member is a powerhouse of health benefits, including cholesterol improvement, immune system support, and a potential reducer of heart disease risk. It's a testament to how diet and health are intricately linked. Incorporating garlic into your diet is as beneficial as it is delicious. Whether you're roasting it to spread on toast, adding it to sauces, or even daring to consume it raw, garlic adds not only depth of flavor, but also a boost to your health. And for those who might not favor the taste or smell, garlic supplements are a convenient alternative. Of course, as with any good thing, it's possible to have too much. Some might experience garlic breath, body odor, or digestive discomfort. It's always wise to consult with a healthcare provider before diving into any new supplement regimen, particularly for those on blood pressure medications. Garlic isn't just a food item, it's a cultural icon, steeped in folklore and mythology. From ancient beliefs that it could ward off evil spirits to its myriad uses around the globe, garlic has always been more than just a kitchen staple. Hearing personal stories from individuals who've seen real benefits from incorporating garlic into their health regimen can be incredibly inspiring. It's one thing to read about the effects of garlic on blood pressure, but it's another to hear about someone's first-hand experience with this powerful herb. So, whether you're a culinary enthusiast or someone interested in natural health remedies, garlic offers a world of benefits waiting to be explored. We encourage you to consider how this ancient herb can play a role in your modern wellness journey. Remember, the best health strategies are those tailored to your unique needs and discussed with your healthcare provider. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of garlic's incredible health benefits.